Hey guys, today I wanted to show you a fun renovation project that I worked on during the first lockdowns last summer. Now, as with most projects, knowing how to spray paint came in handy on this one. So the entire bathroom was ripped apart over some concerns we had with the original shower. The tile was starting to move and it was clear that the wall behind was getting wet, so I had to go ahead and rip everything out. Once the shower was destroyed, it just made the most sense to renovate everything else at the same time. So I ripped up the tile and replaced it on both the floor and the shower. We tried to do everything on a strict budget and save where we could. We found a sliding shower door set for $200, which was probably the best score. We also changed out the toilet, the backsplash, and replaced the ceiling lights with pod lights. Now, one of the bigger ticket items was the vanity. The wife wanted a larger double vanity, and of course it's always sold with the promise that I'll get to use half of it, but anyways. We eventually came across a killer deal on Kijiji for $200. We found a vanity that was in great shape. The only problem was the countertop was a bit out of style. Fortunately, I was able to sand this bad boy down and repaint it. The process was pretty straightforward. It was sanded down with some 400 grit paper and the edges were scuffed with a nylon pad. Since it's accordion thermosetting plastic countertop, it will take paint like any other composite. The main difference is we're going to use an epoxy paint on it rather than a urethane. Now, an epoxy is going to be extremely durable, however it doesn't have the same level of UV protection, so it's fine as long as your vanity isn't sitting outside for some reason. Epoxy is also much slower drying. This was a few day process of drying and a few hours in between coats. Now, 2 coats were applied in total, but if I could do it all again, I would have either applied another or started the process with a white urethane sealer. If you're wondering if you can roll it on, well, you better believe you can, but it's going to come out with a lot more texture. You're going to have to sand it down and polish it after if you want it to look flawless. I used a white epoxy mostly because it was easiest and convenient, but you can find some clear tabletop epoxies that will hold up just the same. Now, all in all, I think everything turned out pretty sweet, and the painting skills saved me the cost of a countertop at the minimum. So thanks for checking it out. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think, and be sure to subscribe for some more awesome paint videos.